These TikTok shop videos made me over $100,000 in profit, and it only took me 2 minutes to script the videos. If you're struggling as a TikTok shop affiliate, you're probably making the same mistake as everyone else. Spending countless hours creating videos from scratch, writing scripts manually, and still ending up with 300 views and no sales. But what if I told you the secret isn't creating original content at all? After analyzing thousands of viral TikTok shop videos to figure out why they went viral and the psychological triggers on why people actually purchase, I've developed a 3-step AI prompt system that consistently produces results like this. In this video, I'll give you my complete multi-prompt AI system that will show you how to identify perfect viral videos to analyze, the exact psychological triggers that make viewers convert into buyers, how to adapt these proven structures to any product that you will sell. And I'll reveal the critical mistake most people make while trying to copy viral videos. A mistake that's costing them thousands of dollars in potential commissions. This is a proven system that actually works. So if you're ready to stop spending hours writing your scripts manually and start leveraging AI so you can finally go viral and convert those views into sales, let's dive in. So the core foundation behind the multi-prompt AI system consists of 3 very powerful steps. And the first one is the most important because we're going to analyze videos that went viral. If a video went viral, there's a specific reason behind it. They used a certain script structure. There are key components that we could analyze from that video to figure out why it went viral. And most importantly, we could identify certain psychological triggers that made this video convert. This is why selecting the right types of videos to analyze is extremely important. And this is where most people get this completely wrong because they think that just because a video went viral, then it converted well. There's a way to figure out and confirm if that video actually made sales. Because if a video didn't make sales and it went viral, there isn't any proven framework, or the analysis you're going to do won't be effective because it didn't convert. Why would you use a video that didn't convert to try to replicate it? This is why this phase is extremely important. So let's get into step 1, which is finding the viral videos we're going to analyze. I use this website called the Daily Virals. It has all of the TikTok shop videos that are currently going viral. And as you scroll, you'll see a bunch of videos that have millions of views. I want to analyze this video right here because it did very well. And I personally know this creator. She made a lot of money selling this product. So what we're going to do is confirm if this video actually made this creator sales. And the best way to do that, and nobody knows about this, using the TikTok Shop Creator Center. As a seller, you sign up to this as a seller and you could spy on any creator that you want. And all of these numbers that you're seeing right here are accurate. $82,000 GMV. And you can see what types of videos are making her this money. And as you scroll, you'll see a graph right here of her daily GMV. You'll notice right here, August 4th is when she posted that video we found on the Daily Virals. August 4th, right? Boom, 2,600,000 GMV, right? As you see, the 5th, almost 5K GMV. This August 6th, 7K GMV. This is all from this video. This is how you can confirm it. So now that you know 100% that this video went viral for a reason, and it has certain triggers that made people buy from that video, we're going to use this AI prompt right here, and we're going to analyze exactly why it went viral. And we're going to figure out a specific script structure that we could emulate and make it even better for our product or the same product. So copy this script. You're going to go on ChatGPT, right? You're going to tell it to analyze this exact script. Transcribe this video. You're going to take this. So what ChatGPT is going to do right now is do a whole breakdown analysis on this script particularly. So right here is a complete analysis breakthrough. ChatGPT gave us an overall structural map of how the video was scripted step by step, right? This is extremely important because a viral video becomes a viral video because it followed a specific script structure. And this is the script structure that she used: conflict, proof setup, climax, resolution, reinforcement, and call to action. This analysis is extremely important because we're going to take that exact script structure and use it for a different product or a similar product with a completely new script, right? Now that we have a viral video and we confirmed that it's actually making sales, we went to step 2 and did a whole video script analysis to figure out the key components on why it went viral and a specific script structure this video used. So in step 3, we're going to use this specific AI prompt and we're going to tell ChatGPT, based on the analysis that we provided, write a completely unique script using the same structural framework, same engagement techniques, and same pacing patterns. And most importantly, the same call to action that made people purchase the product. And the best part of this prompt is that it gives you a completely brand new script. It sticks with the structures, but it gives you a unique angle that you can sell the product to, right? Look, this is what it pulls out. Everyone says exfoliators are just a marketing scam, so I'm going to put this one through a test you can't fake. I just took off a full face of waterproof makeup, and even though it looks clean, you know there's still junk hiding in my skin. You could read this, right? And by reading the script, I could already tell that it just feels authentic. It doesn't feel like a robot wrote it, and it doesn't feel like AI, which is the most important part. If you just did a regular prompt, right? Like if you told ChatGPT to write you a regular prompt for this product, it will never give you a high quality answer like this. This is why it's extremely important you analyze viral videos that did well. You give the AI everything that it needs. It just makes it a lot easier for AI to understand what you're looking for. Because if you use a generic AI prompt, like write me a script for this particular product, it's going to give you the most robotic answer ever because it's not trained for TikTok Shop specifically. This is why using this multi-prompt AI system gives you so much guidance and so much clarity because you know that if you follow this system step by step, you will be pushing out viral videos every single time. And you will never second guess whether a video will work out for you because everything you're doing is proven and you're making TikTok Shop in general so much easier for you. So now that you have this system, the only thing you need to do now is follow it step by step. And I can guarantee you, if you do follow it step by step, you will make a lot of money as a TikTok Shop affiliate, and you're gonna spend less time script writing your videos and more time just looking at your dashboard because you're making so much money. This gives you so much leverage because you could push out so much more videos because you're not spending 3 hours script writing a video, right? I swear nobody in the TikTok Shop space right now is giving this amount of sauce out for free. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel. I make videos like this all the time. And if you want to work with me one-on-one personally, where I take you step by step on how to find the right products to promote, how to use your content style and proven script structures to go viral and consistently make 5 to 10K a month every single month as a TikTok Shop affiliate, there should be a link in the description to apply to my mentorship. Fill out the application, and I'll see you on the other side.